Hey, you guys remember this thing? It's been out here collecting dust for a while. About a year ago, I said if I made it to 1,000 subscribers that I would give this thing away to one lucky viewer. I'm a little ashamed to admit, but I actually hit that 4-digit mark back in November. Problem was, I was walking around Kansas City at the Whiskey Expo and just forgot all about this, as one tends to do when they're surrounded by alcohol. And then about a month later, I looked at my analytics or whatever it's called here, and I'm like, oh yeah, hey, I'm 1,085 subscribers. I got something to do. So it became the long, arduous task of typing in every subscriber into a randomizer. I got about 20 names in, then the wife said there's programs that could do that. So I let technology take over, and the lucky winner is Weekend Hobbyist. It's kind of funny the way I found this guy. When we first moved in, my neighbor had a Raptor, and it was this weird, flat, dark earth color. I've never seen it before. It's about the time that I remembered Revell sells a snap-tight kit of these Raptors. So I did what anybody else would do. I jumped on YouTube to check to see how this thing builds up. And that's when I found this guy. Lo and behold, he had his painted up the exact same color. Weekend Hobbyist, forgive me since I don't know your first name, but if you want this kit, hit me up on Instagram. That is by far the easiest way to get a hold of me. What you're going to get in return is a completely sealed box stock kit. It might even wipe the dust off for you. Maybe, nostalgia and all that. On Instagram, I go by the same handle, Insomnia Hobbies. I even got a link in the description of this video. The only thing I ask is that you live in the lower 48 states, because I don't want to spend $200 to ship this thing to Alaska. So hit me up, dude. I got something for you.